2025 is here and Netflix is not holding back. If you're ready for love, jaw-dropping mysteries, emotional healings and some supernatural fun, then you are in the right place. Here are top 5 must-watch K-dramas on Netflix May 2025 edition. Let's get right into it. Kicking things off is Spring of Youth. Sakil, a former K-pop star who's been exiled from fame, enrolls in college to restart his life. There he meets Boom, a quiet student with a hidden past. Together, they start a campus music club that becomes a safe space for healing, music and love. This youth romance is a perfect blend of healing and hope, ideal for fans of 2521 and Dream High. Next is the food romance we didn't know we needed, Tastefully Yours. Kang Han-mil plays a rich picky CEO who loses his taste and ends up in a countryside village. There, he meets a female chef who cooks from the soul. Expect culinary chemistry, slow burn romance, and a lot of spicy drama. This one is sweet, sizzling, and deeply satisfying. Up next, we go back in time with Dear Hongrang. A young nobleman returns to his aristocratic home after years of disappearance, but with no memory of his past. His half-sister Jae starts to uncover unsettling truths as romance and mystery intertwines. This historical melodrama is beautifully shot, filled with forbidden love, suspense, and hidden identities. Fourth on the list is our unwritten seal. Miji is a hardworking woman hiding a dangerous secret. Living a double life to protect her family, she gets entangled in a complicated triangle with a journalist and a prosecutor. This modern drama explores power, lies, and loyalty, all wrapped in a web of gripping suspense. And finally, we have All My Ghost Clients. A cold-hearted labor attorney suddenly starts seeing ghosts of his past clients, and they won't leave until their cases are solved. This supernatural legal comedy is equally parts hilarious and touchy, with each episode solving a ghost case and revealing a deeper message. And that wraps up our list of top 5 must-watch K-dramas on Netflix May 2025 edition. Which of these K-drama is already on your radar? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe for more K-drama updates every month. Until next time, happy watching. Annyeong!